We have been talking about the new Moto Razr for a while, and today, Motorola is finally going to take off the curtains from this hyped phone. The Razr name is making a comeback, and according to the leaks, Motorola will be trying to bring back nostalgia with its latest flagship offering. The Razr is going to be unveiled at an event in Los Angeles today, and we could finally be seeing a more useful use case for the folding display to make the phone more practical in 2019. Motorola has so far sent out invites showing the old Razr being peeled away to show the new one in silhouette. And in the teaser, Motorola did show the hinge that houses the folding mechanism. However, the leaks have shown the device inside out through official renders. And more than the renders, we even know what's going to power the Moto Razr. Most notable is the bottom of the phone, which features a USB-C port for data transfer and charging. Like most modern smartphones, the new Razr doesn't appear to include a headphone jack. The V3i, the model most people think of when they think back to the original Razr, didn't have a headphone jack either, but then that was a different time before feature phones shipped with enough internal storage to hold music. Call it an unintended callback. Besides a very noticeable notch display, the phone also features very prominent side hinges that cut into its side bezels. Mr. Price, the first publication to spot the photos, speculates this design quirk could be limited to the pre-production model the FCC photographed, but this seems unlikely. If you compare these new photos with the official-looking ones that leaked late last month, you can see them prominent in those photos as well. What the images don't provide is a clue as to what button located on the chin phone does. The Verge suggests the button could act as both a power switch and a capacitive fingerprint sensor, which seems like a reasonable bet. Alongside the photos that leaked last month, there was also a report that said the new Razr would feature a Snapdragon 710 processor with up to 6GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. A report from the Wall Street Journal from earlier in the year also said the phone will be Verizon, Engadget's parent company, exclusive that the carrier sells for approximately $1,500. The good news is that most of our questions about the phone will likely be answered in the next couple of hours.